Good morning, 2A. Today in reading, we are going to continue to talk about captions. So on Monday, we talked about how Tuesday, we talked about how a caption is text that's next to or under a picture that helps tell us what the picture is. And we have to think about why an author would include captions in their text. So I'm going to share my screen. A reminder, you're going to want to reopen our Scholastic News for today. Remember, you're going to press I am a student. Our classroom password is SJP20. If it wants to type, there it is. And you may notice when you log in, I believe they uploaded the next set of Scholastic Newses in the last couple days. So you're going to have to go down to April 2020 down here and find This Plant Stinks, which is the article you should have read on Tuesday. And what you're going to do is, if you want to rewatch the video and things like that, you can do that. But the real important thing you're going to need for this is you're going to need to open the issue to the inside. And I apologize, my internet's being a little slow this morning. So you're going to open the issue to the inside so you can find the captions, because you're going to need the captions for the graphic organizer. That's not the right page. There it is. Okay. So a reminder, a caption helps us understand a photograph. And we need, as readers, we need to be good readers and think about why the author would put a caption in a article or in a book. So we're going to find these 3 pictures that have captions on them, and we're going to use those to help us understand what the author was thinking. So what you're going to be doing today is you are going to be filling in a graphic organizer about captions. So I'm going to share that with you so you can see it. And it's called Using Images and Captions. So what you're going to do over here, and again, you can print this off and do it on the worksheet. If not, just draw a line down a separate piece of paper and kind of divide it into boxes like they did. And then you can just use that. So for our organizer here, you're going to sketch an image, diagram, graph, chart, or chart from the text along with its caption. So I'm going to pick something that had a caption in this text. So I'm going to go back to my article. This is going to be a little tricky because I have to keep sharing my screen, but we will make it work. This is being a little, oh, no, I don't know what to do. Give me 1 second, friends. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to have to come back and I'm going to say, oh, here's a caption. So in that box, I'm going to draw as best as I can this picture. Maybe I'm just going to draw a red flower with some spots on it. And then I'm going to write the caption underneath. This is the stinky Rafflesia plant. The pollen dust is in here. So on my graphic organizer, I'm going to draw that flower, write that caption. And then over here, I'm going to think about, how did that image and the caption help me understand the topic? So what did that image help us understand? I can tell you one thing, that first picture that we just went over helped me understand what the Rafflesia plant looks like, where the pollen is in the Rafflesia plant. It helped me to understand different types of these stinky plants. So all of those things I could write here. I could pick one, I could write all 3. I'm going to use words in this box, not pictures. So this box is picture, this box is words, the caption that is under or next to the picture, and this box is words. Then I'm going to pick another picture and caption. So again, I'll draw the picture here, write the caption, and then write how it helps that picture and caption help me to understand the topic. And then I'm going to do the same down here in this last box. Picture, caption, and then how it helps me understand. So I'm going to use all 3 of these pictures here to help me. So I have these 3 pictures, and then I don't think there's any captions on the, so there's this picture on the front with this caption here that just says corpse flower. It's more of a label. So I would recommend using the inside ones because then the back is just our glossary and that doesn't have any captions. So I would use these 3 pictures and captions for your graphic organizer. And if you run into any issues, send me a message on Class Dojo, send me a email. And again, like I said in my other math video, if you've already watched that one, I am available all day from 8 to 2:30 tomorrow. If you run into any issues with anything we've done this week and you want to have a Zoom chat, just me and you, to figure out and help you understand something better, we can do that. And if you want to do that, you can send me a dojo message or an email. And then this is going to be our last video for a little while because next week is April vacation. So I will be back with another set of videos starting on Monday, April 27th. So if I don't get to see you tomorrow, I hope you all have a wonderful April vacation and that you get to do some fun activities with your family. And I will see you via video again on Monday, April 27th. Have a great rest of your weekend, and a great vacation, and I will see you after vacation.